It happened in Ventura, a coastal city roughly an hour northwest of Los Angeles. Ventura County Fire Department shared the footage, saying the rogue wave hit the beach at the end of Seward Avenue during a high surf advisory at high tide. The county has seen such high surf that streets were flooded with debris several blocks inland. Because of this wave, 8 people were transported to local hospitals, the fire department said, adding that Ventura County beaches and the pier are closed. For your safety, please avoid the area near the ocean, as it can be quite dangerous. The National Weather Service is warning that coastlines from southern to central California are at extreme risk, the highest of its warning levels, of dangerous surf, life-threatening rip currents and coastal flooding, through the weekend.
Oh my God. Oh no.